Israel takes out key Iranian nuclear scientists to halt Tehran's weaponization program. In a strategic move to disrupt Iran's nuclear weapons development, Israel reportedly eliminated 9 senior scientists whose expertise was crucial to the country's covert weapons initiative. Israeli officials stated the strikes carried out overnight between June 12 and 13 were in response to a marked acceleration in Iran's nuclear weapons efforts in recent months. Although Tehran continues to deny ever pursuing nuclear arms, intelligence documents tell a different story. Iran's initial nuclear weapons program, known as the Ahmad Plan, was scaled down and dispersed in 2003 to avoid detection, while still progressing under more clandestine structures. Many of its activities and personnel were absorbed into the Organization for Defense Innovation and Research, SPND. All 9 individuals targeted in the latest operation were tied to the Ahmad Plan, with several still active in weapons development. Israel also confirmed the elimination of 2 key Iranian officials, Ali Shamkhani, a top national security advisor to Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei, and Major General Mohammad Bagheri, the Iranian Armed Forces Chief of Staff. Israel claims both were instrumental in advancing the country's nuclear weaponization, reportedly with Khamenei's approval, even amid ongoing talks with the U.S. Profiles of the 9 scientists. 1. Mohammad Mahdi Tehranchi. A physicist trained in Russia, Tehranchi was integral to Iran's high explosives work aimed at triggering nuclear detonations. He oversaw design and testing operations under the Ahmad Plan, including Project 3x30, and was photographed during nuclear explosive tests uncovered by Israeli intelligence in 2018. He held senior academic and research posts post-Ahmad and remained active within SPND. 2. Saeed Borji. Borji, a PhD in materials engineering, was a specialist in explosives and a close collaborator of Mohsen Fakhrizadeh, the architect of Iran's nuclear weapons program. He played a major role in Ahmad and post-Ahmad operations, including materials procurement for missile and explosive applications. 3. Faridan Abbasi Davani. Former head of Iran's Atomic Energy Organization, Abbasi Davani led the Ahmad Plan's neutron group, essential for crafting a nuclear core. He was sanctioned by both the UN and US and survived an earlier Israeli assassination attempt. He later claimed Iran had the capacity to build nuclear weapons on command. 4. Ekbar Motalebzadeh. A chemistry expert and senior SPND official, Motalebzadeh oversaw the development of nuclear explosive components. He also advised Fakhrizadeh and led projects under the Shahid Karimi group linked to missile and explosive development. 5. Ansor Asghari. Asghari headed SPND's Research and Technology Department and was formerly involved in uranium enrichment and EBW detonator development under the Ahmad Plan. Sanctioned by the U.S., he served as both scientist and military officer. 6. Syed Amir Hussein Fagahi. A nuclear physicist and specialist in nuclear yield calculations, Fagahi held senior roles at AEOI and SPND. He contributed to both the Ahmad Plan and strategic discussions on enhancing Iran's regional power using nuclear capability. 7. Abdulhamid Manucher. With expertise in reactor physics and nuclear yield analysis, Manucher held academic and defense roles. He advised SPND on nuclear weapon and submarine propulsion technologies, combining technical and strategic input. 8. Ahmad Reza Zulfagari. Another specialist in nuclear yield calculations, Zulfagari was a professor and SPND consultant involved in nuclear submarine development for the military. 9. Ali Bakoui Katrimi. Katrimi, an expert in nuclear initiation systems and implosion device design, contributed significantly to the Ahmad Plan and later missile programs. He most recently led an explosives group within SPND.